Hi guys, Spartan765 here today. Today I'm doing a optic review, and that is on the Russian Kobra red dot for the AKs. Please excuse the noise, I got the dogs upstairs. Um, this particular red dot is the Russian Spetsnaz. I think it more or less had a home in the early 2000s, mid 2000s. I don't really know the exact history of it, but we're just going to go over a basic review of this weapon optic. Here's the box. Came directly from Russia. Ordered from Russia. Took about a month and a half to get here. Got a 1.5 mil optic. A reticle. Sorry, not optic. I'm going to see here if I can show you guys the reticles through the camera. It's probably not going to work, but whatever. Doing my best here to try and make this work out for you. Okay, there you can see the chevron, the dot, the I'll call it the cross. I don't know, whatever you want to call it, the cross. There's the dot and chevron, and then the dot again. All right. Sorry, that was shitty, but it is what it is. As far as the adjustment goes, it is very accommodating. You loosen the center screw, and then you adjust the outer screw to where you want, and you can maintain this base plate for if you want to move to 100 meters, 200 meters, 300 meters, 400 meters, whatever. It's same with your windage. It's completely adjustable, unlike most red dots out there in the market today. That's one of the few pros this thing has, is if I'm shooting at 200, I can just click it to 2, and it's calibrated for 7.62 39, 124 grain, so out of a 16-inch barrel. One of the big cons is the thing is just ridiculously huge. There's no need for it to be this big. Is it kind of outdated as far as how huge it was for the time period? Yeah, when it came out, it was outdated. But that's Russia. They're a little bit behind us on technological advances. As far as the operation, it literally has an off and an on switch. Select your different reticles. Push here, brightness, up, down, here. It is very robust, I'll give it that. But again, it's ridiculous. It's a 30 millimeter lens, so you want it fairly close to your eye. To get the best field of view. You know, I more or less bought it for the nostalgic value of it. It is a decent combat optic, I think, you know, if implemented. And I'm going to throw it on an NPAP, which, you know, I got it dialed in, and she'll do about 1.25 inches on this NPAP. So it shoots fairly decent, but the NPAP is the perfect host for this rifle, because right out of the box, it's already got that big bulky stock. Gives you a pretty much perfect cheek weld for that 30 millimeter optic the way it's raised up. So you can sit there, shoot very well, and the optic rail's extended a little bit on the Yugo series of rifles, so it is, most optics would be uncomfortably close to your face. This gives you the, you know, closer to your face, the bigger your field of view is, especially on a 30 mil non-magnified. Another big thing is the batteries for these guys. You can't get it your everyday batteries plus. You may, but unlikely. It's a special battery. This is it. You're going to have this battery imported. The battery I purchased is a Varta CR 1/2 AA 3-volt lithium, made in Germany, and it says 055F on it. It looks about the same size as a CR2. We use a CR2. I read somewhere on a forum that you shouldn't, but that's the battery. They're about $5 a piece. Buy a few of them. I got 6 of them on stock. As with any weapon system, if you're going to run a magnified electro-optic or unmagnified electro-optic or a flashlight, you should have spare batteries on the weapon. All right. Here we go. We've got a US palm grip here, 2 spare batteries in the grip. Very important. Then obviously if it fails, slide it off. My iron sights are dialed right in. Anyway, you guys have comments, questions, send me a message, Spartan 7